RG-192 series reducer is mainly used for new energy electric urban, suburban logistics vehicles. In order to meet the demand of high power and high torque, the shell is made of ductile iron to ensure strength. The gears adopts constant mesh helical gear transmission. The gear design applies the optimization design of large coincidence degree to ensure the requirements of stable gear transmission, long nice, high transmission efficiency, and long service life. The high-speed shaft oil seal adopts high-quality FKM fluoro rubber sealing ring to ensure the sealing performance during high-speed operation. This product is suitable for macro rear axle transmission structure new energy vehicles with motor power of 7.5 cool, applicable to all kinds of electric four-wheel transport trucks, field vehicles, sightseeing vehicles,